What is the treatment plan for TSH over 5? This 4-minute video will teach you about what it means to have slow thyroid function and symptoms. You will learn what foods to eat, which ones to avoid, and the most important supplement ingredients for thyroid health. Let's get started. Disclaimer: the information provided here is for general informational purposes and should not be considered as medical advice. It is not a substitute for professional medical guidance, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of a qualified healthcare professional for any medical concerns or conditions. If you have or think you have a medical condition, please consult a healthcare provider for proper evaluation and treatment. Elevated TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone, typically indicates an underactive thyroid, hypothyroidism. Treatment plans should be tailored by a healthcare professional, but here's a general outline. Diagnosis: confirm the cause of elevated TSH through further thyroid function tests and clinical evaluation. Medication: thyroid hormone replacement therapy with levothyroxine, Synthroid, is the standard treatment for hypothyroidism. The dosage will be adjusted based on the patient's specific needs. Regular monitoring: schedule follow-up appointments to monitor TSH and thyroid hormone levels and adjust medication as necessary. Lifestyle changes: encourage a balanced diet and regular exercise to support overall health and weight management. Avoid interactions: patients should take their thyroid medication separately from certain foods, supplements, and medications that can interfere with its absorption. Typically, thyroid medication is directed to be taken immediately when you wake up, and there should be no food for at least 30 minutes unless your doctor instructs otherwise. Education: educate the patient about the condition, the importance of medication adherence, and the need for ongoing monitoring. Address symptoms: address any symptoms of hypothyroidism, such as fatigue, weight gain, and cold intolerance. Psychological support: offer emotional support, as thyroid conditions can sometimes impact mental health. Please consult with a healthcare professional for a personalized treatment plan and guidance specific to your situation. Foods for thyroid health: eating a well-balanced diet is essential for supporting thyroid health. Here are some key considerations. Iodine-rich foods: iodine is a crucial mineral for thyroid function as it's a component of thyroid hormones. Good sources of iodine include iodized salt, seafood, and seaweed. Selenium-rich foods: selenium is another important mineral that helps the thyroid convert inactive T4 into active T3 hormones. Selenium-rich foods include Brazil nuts, sunflower seeds, and turkey. Zinc and copper: these minerals play a role in the production and regulation of thyroid hormones. You can find them in foods like lean meats, nuts, and whole grains. Vitamins and antioxidants: vitamin D and antioxidants like vitamin C and E can support overall thyroid health. Citrus fruits, nuts, and fatty fish are good sources. Foods to be cautious about: certain foods, known as goitrogens, can potentially disrupt thyroid function when consumed in large amounts. This is particularly relevant if you have an iodine deficiency. Goitrogenic foods include broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts. Cooking these foods can often reduce their goitrogenic effects, as can maintaining a diet rich in iodine and selenium. Role of trace minerals: trace minerals, such as iodine, selenium, and zinc, act as cofactors for enzymes involved in thyroid hormone synthesis and regulation. These minerals ensure proper thyroid function by supporting the conversion of T4 to the active T3 hormone and maintaining the structure of the thyroid gland. A high-quality multi-mineral supplement can be recommended to ensure an adequate intake of these trace minerals, especially if dietary sources are insufficient. Purity in supplements: for thyroid health, purity in supplements is of utmost importance. Low-quality supplements that contain heavy metals or toxins can potentially harm the thyroid and overall health. If you have any questions, you can call us at 305-9015888 or visit our website at www.bodyscience.life.